Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It was done using this script here, and it uses a combination of different letter stems, which are these ones here, and modifiers, which are either dots or lines. And you combine these in a bottom counterclockwise order to get your words, and this is the unraveled version of this quote, which I have my notes here. And the quote is, "I'd call you a genius, except I'm in the room." So let's go ahead and get to reading this. So you start at the bottom and go counterclockwise, so that means this is our first letter of our first word, and that letter there, it has a line going towards the middle, and it is a smaller circle. So because it's a smaller circle, it's a vowel, and an I is the one with a line going towards the middle. And our shorthand, that would be this one here. Then we have this double parallel line, which is our apostrophe. And then we have this deep divot, like an omega or a horseshoe, with 3 dots on it, so that makes it a D, and then last but I put an E on the end of it. That's just because I can't spell in regular English, because I doesn't have an E at the end. This is why I do these spell checks, because I cannot spell. Path, combine, group you together, smooth out our line. Nobody will notice it's gone. So I'd, without the E because I can spell. Then we have a C. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on a circle inside the word circle, like this one here. And then we have a double line, and a double line is a double letter, and this double letter has 3 dots, and both of them are in this row. So that would be the C and the L, and then we have this A here, and this A is in line with the C. That means it's attached to the C, like that. And you read consonants before vowels. That's noted here in the letter stacking rules. So C-A-double-L, and then we have this little word here. Starting at the bottom, we have this completed circle on the line of the word circle with 2 dots. So that makes it a Y, and then we have an O. This O is attached like a bead on a string. So more like, I wonder if this will cooperate. Here we go. Nope, it will not cooperate. Oh, I have caps lock on. Yay! That's a Y-O with a U on it. There we go. And then we have the word So this is our word circle, and this is our vowel. So word circle, vowel. I wanted to make the word circle bigger than the U word circle, so the word circle didn't look like the A, like an extra random A on the word U. So yeah, that would be and then we have this word here, bottom. We have a deep divot here with 1 line on it, so that would be the G in genius. Then the E is attached inside it, so like this red one here makes it an E. Then we continue around. Here's a big letter stack. We have the N here with 1 line on it, and we have these 2 here. These are 2 vowels. They're inside the N, and they're stacked. And when they're stacked, and they're the same, like, so consonants are read after vowels, good, so that means we read the N before the vowels, then thin to thick. So this thin line goes towards the middle, but this thick line goes away. So thin is I, thick is U. So N, I, U, and then last but not least we have the S. Then we have this junk here, which that was a bunch of periods actually. So this is like ... So I'd call you a genius ... I didn't put just one set of ellipses because I liked the symmetrical look of having both of them there, though I could get rid of one or the other or both, because there is no punctuation noted here for anything between the word genius and except. But I wanted to put a bunch of space there. I'd call you a genius. But, except I'm in the room. Sorry, this is the word except, not the word but. Anyway, we have the E here at the bottom of the word circle. Then we have this X with 1, 2 lines. Why did I put an X there? Oh, that's because there's an X there. Where's the... Oh, there's the X. E-X-C-E-P-T. I know how to spell in English. I can't spell in English. Okay, so E, X with 2 lines. Then we have this letter stack. This is a trickier letter stack because there is a slash through the vowel, which is a whole nother rule. So we have our consonants before our vowels. So we have these 2 before that one. This first one has 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, the thin one, so that'd be a C. And this second vowel has 2 lines on it, so it'd be a P. So the C is before the P, and then there's the E, except instead of at the end, there's a slash through the E. And each slash through a vowel moves it up 1 letter in the stack. So this slash through that E brings it up in front of the P. So we go, I mean, thin to thick is not necessary between vowels and consonants, because that vowel after consonant rule trumps the thin to thick rule. But anyway, CEP is this stack, because C and then the E, which got one slash through it, so it's up one letter in the stack and therefore before the P. So CEP, and then our last letter is this shallow divot T. So except, then we have this word here, bottoms here, I line going towards the middle, just like that I. Then we have this apostrophe, just like that apostrophe, and then 1, 2, that little guy there, 3. 3 lines on the M, so I line going towards the middle, N, 1 line, so in. Then we have a TH on the line of the circle, E, R with 3 dots, O, O, and then we have this is a P. I need 1 more line on it. This is why I do the spell checks, yo. That 1 more line, it can go there like that, bisecting it. Nice. But I want it to look like it comes from there, so we're gonna make sure it bisects both. I can't have it actually end on this one, because then it would be a QU, not a TH. So I'm gonna have this line here, cut it, delete that. We make our line thickness the same. I believe I'm playing with 3 millimeters. Bam. Cool. Close enough. Okay, so R, O, O, and then M, and then we have 1 period at the end of the sentence. So instead of the ellipses, which are 3 periods, we just have 1 period at the end of the sentence. I think I might increase the sentence line thickness on this guy. We'll bump it up. Yeah, I like that better. Okay, cool. Neat. So that is that design. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.